boat people are fighting.
I can see what we got going on both sides, man.
See the AI, if I don't see them.
I did.
Alright. I believe you. Oh, there we go.
Moving. Moving here.
Alright.
Enemy sniper here.
Come on, man. I don't think your wife's asleep and you gotta stay quiet. Yes.
Stick together.
They're sniping over here, but they're mad that they don't have the distance. Oh, they're getting close though.
They move towards you.
Are they?
Second party. It says PvP.
Well, you know, they got the spotter scope and shit.
Nice, nice. Back of the boat, back of the boat.
What?
Back of the boat that we're on. Back of the boat,
Yeah.
I see a player. Gets a snipe. I got the
Yeah.
clip.
Are they on the ship?
Requesting recon flyover!
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
It's not everybody.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming. UAV
There he is.
fuel. RTB at this time.
Fuck off! No, I'm not. I'm gonna get this guy.
Ultra One, a squad mate is down. You are taking effective fire.
Gotta go on the box.
Are you in the water?
Very end of the ship.
Moving here! Enemy visual!
Hey, his buddy's gonna come for him, so let's fucking move on.
Moving!
Roger that. Where at?
He must be down in the water somewhere. No, he's up there on the boat.
What boat? We're on a boat.
Huh?
Where?
Yeah, up
The,
there on the boat.
the little boats, the little boats.
Where?
I don't know. I can't obviously see, can I? Getting shot.
I don't know. I can't see
Oh.
what you can see.
It's the little boat.
Ultra One, you have a squad member bleeding out. They need a revive.
The little boat.
Jesus Christ. I can't see what you can see. You know what I mean?
Two down.
You'd be on the
31
boat.
like
Is he on the
easy.
second floor, third floor, second floor. Now I'm fucking dead.
Killing operators will mark you as a bounty target.
On the boat,
Ultra
on
One,
the boat.
advised, an operator in your area needs medical.
Don't drown.
You're a good guy. I love you.
Ultra One, you secured a tag. That enemy squad will be
Good
tracking
loot
you
here.
now. Stay sharp.